Hello friends, in this video we will discuss two more numericals related to pdV work. So in the first numerical, a mass of gas is compressed from 80 kilopascal 0.1 meter cube to 0.4 megapascal and 0.03 meter cube. So first let us draw the piston cylinder arrangement before and after the compression, and then let us note down the given data P1, V1 and P2, V2. So in this numerical we have to find out the work done. Okay, to find out the work done we have to see what is the pressure and volume relation. It is PV to the power n is equal to constant, which is a polytropic process. So for a polytropic process we know the formula is P2 V2 minus P1 V1 divided by 1 minus n. Now the n is not known here. So first we have to find out the value of n. So it is given that PV to the power n is equal to constant. So I can write P1 V1 to the power n is equal to P2 V2 to the power n, and so on. So from here we can find out the value of n. So let me show you how to find out. So we can write this as P1 divided by P2 is equal to V2 by V1 to the power n. Now taking log on both sides, we will get ln P1 by P2 is equal to ln V2 by V1 whole to the power n. So ln P1 by P2 can be written as n ln V2 by V1. Okay, so taking everything on the other side, n can be written as n is equal to ln P1 by P2 divided by ln V2 by V1. Now just simply substitute the values of P1, P2, V2 and V1. So I can write n is equal to ln P1 is equal to 80 divided by P2, which is 0.4 into 10 to the power 3 divided by V2 0.03 divided by 0.1. Okay, so if you do this calculation you will find the value of n as 1.34. okay, now simply put this value in the work done equation P2 V2 minus P1 V1 by 1 minus n. Just put the value of n here and we will get the value of work done. Okay, so the work done is minus 11.764. This minus implies work has been done on the system. Okay, so in the next problem we have to find out the total work done by a gas during an expansion process from A to C. Okay, from A to B and then from B to C. So overall the gas has expanded from A to C. So we have to find out the total work done during this process. And B to C is, it is given in the question that it is a polytropic process where PV to the power 1.3 is equal to constant. Okay, and PA and PB are same. As you can see here, it is given as 50 bar. Okay, so now we have to find out the work done. So first, work done for the entire process A to C can be written as work done A to B plus work done B to C. Separately we will find out two work done. So first one, the work done from A to B, it is a constant pressure process. As you can clearly see, it is a constant pressure process because initial and final pressures are same. So for a constant pressure process we have a very straightforward formula which can be written as P constant pressure P into final volume minus initial volume. In this case it is VB minus VA. Okay, so just substitute the value 50 into 10 to the 5 divided into the value of VB is 0.4 into 0.4 minus 0.2. 1 bar is actually 10 to the 5 Pascal. So I have written 50 into 10 to the 5 Pascal. Okay, so it can be written as the final answer is 10 to the 6 joule, which is equivalent to 1 megajoule. Now we have to find out the work done in the second process B to C. It is a polytropic process, so we will use the formula of work done as uh, the work done formula can be written as PV VB minus PCVC divided by n minus 1. Okay, so simply substitute the values and you will get the answer. Okay, so here the value of PC is not known. Okay, PC we have to find out. So I can write it is given that PV to the power 1.3 is equal to constant. So from this relation we can find out PC. Okay, so I can write PV v into VB to the power 1.3 is equal to PC to the power VC into 1.3. So from here the PC can be value of PC can be easily found out. So if you do the calculation, you will find that the value of PC is around 20.31 into 10 to the 5 Pascal. Okay, now just plug in this value into the work done formula and you will get the final value of the work done. Okay, so if you do this entire numerical in the entire calculation, the final work done will come out as 1.251 megajoule. So now we have to add these two work done during AB and work done during BC. So work done during AB is 1 megapascal, 1 megajoule, and work done during BC is 1.25 megajoule. So if you do this addition, the final result will be 2.25 megajoule. Okay, so this was all about today. For such kind of informative videos, please subscribe MacVidya. Thank you.